a beautiful day in Iceland today. And by beautiful, I mean it is sunny and blue skies in Reykjavik, and we are leaving. We're leaving the city, headed out to Hveragerdi in the south of Iceland, because we're gonna do the Reykjadalur hike today. And I'm really excited because I haven't been actually in Reykjadalur for a few years now. Crazy how fast time passes like that. But I'm super excited because we have our little buddy with us today, so he'll be hiking it or in the backpack. The forecast says maybe a little bit drizzly for the hike, but what can you do? We got our rain gear. And if you don't already know, Reykjadalur is an amazing hike because Reykja means steamy, and Dalur means valley, steamy valley, and there's a river that runs through it. And because of the geothermal heat that comes up from the earth, it means that that stream is hot water, which, by the way, is a dream, if you were wondering. It's a really unique place, and because of the area and all the geothermal activity, there's a lot of colors out there, and there's a sneaky waterfall along the hike. I just really love this area. So, of course, I'm bringing you along today to show you, and it's a beautiful September day. So let's go check it out. Hiking pack, child, walking sticks, waterproof gear, and a swimsuit. We are ready. The little midges just like crazy. Already had to take off my local pesa because didn't need it. It's hot out. What is going on? There's the hot river down there. This is good.
Waterfall!
Whoa! Definitely gets windier the closer to the top you get, but we're almost there. They changed the route since I've been here, and I think it's because this steamy area up here has a lot of hot water spouting out of it, so it's probably pretty dangerous. I don't know when this route was changed. I haven't been here for a few years, but because of that, it's taking a little bit longer than I expected. So we've been walking an hour. I mean, we're carrying a 40-pound baby, but we're really close. It's just, yeah, that's what it is. Here it is. Pretty busy today. It's a Monday. There's still a lot of people here. So they still have changing quadrants, but again, they're out in the open. They're not hidden, and they're few. So some people change up on the hill, and some people, well, it just doesn't matter. So you gotta do what you gotta do. So this big cafe is right next to the parking area. And here is where you can pay. Has instructions, or you can pay for your parking just over here. Either way, downloading the Easy Park app or paying at the machine allows you to hike up. So it charges per hour, so just depending on how long you're here, and then it is camera enforced, so you do want to make sure to pay. You can download the Easy Park app before you arrive in Iceland to make it super easy. Otherwise, just pay on site, and it does accept credit cards. You can see here, it already has my license plate. This is when we drove in. It took a picture of the license plate. Here's how long we've been here, so here's how much we owe. And you just pay here. Easy. And because you pay by the hour, means that you need to pay after you're done hiking, because it will just charge you the amount that you owe based on how long you were here, and it takes a picture of your license plate as you're driving in, so it calculates it for you.